You're going to need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is very dense and heavy, so it's best to use a small amount. Combine all the oils in a small plastic bottle or a variable container. Apply the mixture to your hair, starting at your ends and working your way up the hair shaft. Try to avoid the roots if you have oily hair. If you suffer from dry scalp, apply it to the scalp as well. Once applied, put it in a plastic cap so the heat from your head can warm up the oils. Leave oils on for 30 minutes minimum. When it's time to wash it off, give yourself a dry shampoo, meaning apply the shampoo directly to your hair without wetting it first. Rinse that off with lukewarm water and shampoo again. I don't recommend applying heat to your hair the same day you apply oils, simply to avoid frying your hair. You're going to need 1 ripe avocado, 5 tablespoons of raw honey. Mash the avocado until you have very little to no lumps. Add the honey and mix well until everything is blended together. Apply paste to your hair starting at the ends and working your way up. Put in a plastic hair cap. Leave mixture on hair for about 30 minutes to an hour or as long as you can or need. Rinse it all off with warm water and continue hair routine as usual with shampoo and conditioner. You may choose to apply this mixture after shampooing and before using the conditioner for added hydration. You're going to need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 mashed banana, 2 tablespoons of honey. Mash the banana first before adding the other ingredients to facilitate the process. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and apply to your hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Avoid heating up the oil or sitting under a heated dryer to avoid cooking the eggs in your hair. Fully rinse the mixture out of your hair with cool water, then wash and style as you normally would. For this, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and apply to hair after parting it in sections. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour and rinse off completely with warm water. Wash and style as usual. For this, you'll need 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mash banana, then mix all ingredients together. Apply to your hair and leave it on for about an hour. Rinse off and proceed to wash and style as usual. The measurements I used are for medium length hair, therefore adjust the measurements to fit you. Feel free to add or fix the recipes to your liking and what works for you. Avoid using hot water to wash your hair and finish your wash routines with a cold water rinse to seal in moisture. Please like and subscribe.